Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, I got a new toy today. I got some NewBeeDrone mini race gates. I bought 5 of them and 5 stands. They're pretty awesome. Let's go check them out. All right, so check out this cool mini race gate. It's got Velcro on the top, the side, on the bottom, and on the other side. And then there's this cool collapsible plastic stand that it goes on. Pretty cool. Now you may be wondering why I'm not wearing my arm brace today. I'm getting my surgery on Monday, and the doctor asked me for this last couple days before surgery to let my arm out of the sling, let things stretch out a bit so they're not all tight, well, as tight as they could be for surgery. So that's why I'm not wearing it. Still trying to be careful with my arm, but that's what's going on. Anyways, I wanted to show you, I bought a 5-pack of these NewBeeDrone mini race gates, and they come in this cool zipper pack. They come out of the case, and they're pretty much like a sun visor for your car's dashboard. All they do is they pop open, whoop, and that's what they look like when they're open up. Now they've got Velcro here, 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 and here. So that's what, 3, 6, 7, 8 pieces of Velcro that you can attach to the stand. So let's open up a stand from one of its carry bags and put that together. All right, so it comes, each carrying stand comes in its own little bag, so for storage. It's just a zip bag or a little, like a camping storage type bag. And it's all one piece, basically. Okay. All right, now all you gotta do is take these parts, and they're on little bungee strings. You just gotta put them together, like that, and then the middle one together. You can't push as hard. They say until your arm gets repaired, you lose about 30% of the strength in that arm. No fun, guys. All right, this one goes in here. This one goes in there. This one goes in here like this. And now we have one fully assembled gate stand. And again, I got 5 of these guys. It's really easy to put together. All you do is attach the soft Velcro on the actual gate to the grippy Velcro on the stand. Let's do that. So there's one on the bottom. There we go. One on each side. And there we go. Now we've got one fully assembled race gate. Isn't that cool? All right, cool. Well, let me take 1 or 2 of these more. I'll set up a couple in the backyard, and yeah, we'll fly the Air65 through it. You ready? All right, I got all 5 set up. I don't know how good I'll be at flying through them. But I'm ready. You ready? Let's go fly. We got the Air65 powered up. It's really hot. It's like 91 outside. So I think we're gonna fly maybe 2 packs, and then we will call it a day. It's really hot out here. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Arm. Looking good. Take off. And we'll see how I do. Woo! I need to slow down. Slow down. All right. Let's see. Ooh, little bump. Dang it. All right, crash flip. On, arm, flip. Crash flip, disarm, off. Regular arm, on. There we go. Hey, I made it through all 5. Nice. Nice. Try this again. Oops. Dang it, the same spot again. All right, disarm, crash flip arm, and flip. Okay, disarm, crash flip off, regular arm on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I might have to go get it. Let's try to crash flip one more time. There we go. Grass is just long enough to get stuck in the blades there. All right. Nice. There we go. Nice. Almost. All right. Very cool. I like these little gates. When I'm out in the RC meetup, I could probably spread these out a little bit more and make it more fun to fly through fast. But this is great. I mean, this is This is a great tool to help me practice my fine motor movements and the throttle control. Very awesome. Can I do a flip through one? Dang it. Better crash flip it. Let's see. There we go. Dang it. This is really hard. If you've never flown an actual drone in acro mode, I don't want to hear it, because it's hard. It's harder than in video games. It's harder than the simulator. All right, my battery's dead anyways. I'm gonna go pick it up and we'll do one more battery. All right, we're back for battery number 2. Everything looks good. DVR looks good. Voltage looks good. 3, 2, 1, arm. Take off. And let's see if I can make it through these gates again. Nice, good job, me. Good job. Dang it. Dang it. All right. Dang it. All right, crash flip. Switch on, arm crash flip, flip. Disarm, switch off, regular arm, and go. Dang it! That was like one quick hop. All right, again, crash flip, arm, disarm, crash flip, switch off, regular arm, take off. Nice. Man, why do I crash every time I try to do a loop like that? Oops. Alright, crash flip switch. There we go. Alright, well, crashed it in the neighbor's yard. Gotta go tuck my tail between my legs and go ask if I can pick it up. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. I had fun flying today. It's getting too hot. But I hope you enjoyed the race gates. If you want your own, go to NewBeeDrone.com, pick them up. Okay, I got my quadcopter back. It was in the bushes over there in my neighbor's yard. So I got it all back. I think it's time to call it a day, though. It's really, really hot. I'm sweating good. And the core is starting to overheat on this too, just because it's so hot outside. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to pick up some of these race gates yourself, go to newbeedrone.com and pick them up. I don't make any money off that. Just go do it. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.